Hi, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I will show you a runic stave that is designed to help you get out of difficult conditions and situations. It's called the Rainbow Bridge and was created by Faux Chatte. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is from my personal collection of powerful rune formulas and runic staves. I have gathered hundreds of magical symbols those were created in the history of humanity. These magical symbols are amulets created for practical reasons like attracting money, health, love, but also for mystical purposes like protection from black magic, learning to astral project and even developing your intuition and clairvoyance. All that is available for you right now, all the links are in description of the video. Now regarding the current runic stave, the author has not provided a detailed description of the runes used in this stave, so let's try to dissect this runic stave and understand what runes are used in it. First we can see the base construction of double Algis and double Teos runes. This powerful shape has the energy of divine energy, willpower and victory. These runes will attract positive energy into your life and into your situation, will invoke the guidance and support of higher forces and will also help you to be more disciplined and to be more resourceful in solving the problems. The next most obvious shape I see is the rune Manas. It's the rune of the intellect, the rune of the social life. It means that your intellectual abilities will be guided in such a way to help you resolve the problems, and also perhaps invoking some help from other people. I also see the rune Hagelas and the rune Thurisas. They are very close together. These are pretty powerful destructive runes. These runes will destroy all the negative energy that might be holding you back or preventing success, and also the rune Thurisas will help you to break through any obstacles those might be preventing you from getting what you want. Now going clockwise, I see the rune Sovilo. It's the rune of the sun energy, rune of victory, rune of fire, rune of success. So this rune will help you achieve the success and victory on your path. Next I see the rune Gebo, rune of harmony and equal exchange, rune of positive relationships. Surely this rune will help you to be in harmony with the external world, with the people around you, with the divine forces. This will improve your chances of success. Looks like there also is a rune Kenas, a rune of the fire energy and passion. Overall, runes Gebo and Kenas are often used together because they have a similar energy. The rune Kenas, the rune of passion, it will fill you with energy, passion and with desire to move and to be active. Also the interesting combination of Kenas and Manas means that the energy of fire and passion will be somehow connected to the social and intellectual energy, which is very good. It means you will be inspired and you will have enough energy in your brain to work through, or also it might invoke some passion in social situations, which is definitely very good. Next we see the rune Ingles. It's the rune of wholeness, rune of completeness, and also the rune Lagus, rune of the continuous uninterrupted flow. Analyzing this stave, I really can applaud the author for composing it very correctly in a upward and clockwise manner. That is a flow of the positive energy, the direction of the positive energy. As we started from the center, then from the upper arm, and then going clockwise, we see that the first there will be some destructive elements. Those will clear out and cleanse and destroy all the negative energy and obstacles. Then we will start filling it with the energy of victory and fire, with social harmony and passion, and it will all lead to completeness, wholeness, and enforced by the rune Lagus. This energy of wholeness and completeness will continue for some prolonged time. That is exactly what you want. keeping in mind that all these energies are overlaid onto the base of divine forces support and energy of victory and willpower, making it a very powerful, positive runic stave that combines all the steps and aspects of the magical operation, starting with preparation, energy, cleansing the road to success, and then starts to filling it with positive energy, and also ensures that the results will be pleasant and satisfying. By the way, if you want to learn the meaning of each rune, go get my free runes PDF guide. And a word of warning: before activating or using any runic stave or any magical construct at all, it would be wise to check with rune divination to verify that it will be safe for you and that it will work as expected. If you don't know how to do that, you can learn on my course. To activate this runic stave, you can draw it on a piece of paper or print it out. Then you trace it and name each rune, explain what this rune will be doing, and when you're done, you say an incantation, and then you put a candle on top of it and light the candle and let it burn down completely. This stave has a very broad area of application, so it is hard to create a universal incantation for it, but the incantation could look something like this. By the power of this stave, I will overcome this and that, or I will solve this problem, or I will gain success in this question. This stave works as safe as possible for me and in the most efficient way, so be it. Learn a stronger ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements on my course. My courses are short, value-packed videos with years of my experience condensed into short video lessons that will enable you to work with runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing mistakes that beginners do, those often prevent the runes from working at all.